Hello friends, in this tutorial I shall introduce you to search by image option in Google. Okay, the uses of search by image options. See, to know about fake accounts on FB, as you know, most of the fake accounts on FB use photos stolen from FB pages or other sites. Okay, to know whether images from your blogs or sites are being stolen, to know from where you got any photograph in the case you forget, to search for similar images. I shall teach you all this by example. Okay, see, suppose I am roaming on a page and I find, okay, look at any photograph. Okay, see, from where I would have got this photograph, or if any other one would have used it, from where he would have got this photograph. I would just simply save it, save image as. Okay, I can name it for Google or something, anything you like. Okay, I will save it to desktop and I will save it. Okay, now all I have to do to search from where I can find similar images or this the same image is just go to Google Images, click on this camera button. It shall show you this box, upload an image, choose file, your file name for Google, open it. Now Google shall show all the related images on which are available on web. See, you can find all the related images. See, okay, this photo has been taken from this or maybe from any another site. Okay, I can find similar images on this site. So it's so you can now see how much useful is this Google search by image option. I got the image and I will even get similar images on the site if I will do next or previous or anything you like. Okay, similarly, if I get some, see, if I get like you may get so many friend requests, or if you get okay, like I will teach you. Okay, see, I got some friend requests and I wanna know whether this photograph is real or not, or some other photograph. It could be anything. I will just save it. Okay, I can give it name just Google 3 or anything you like, and I can save it. And then again to Google search image. Okay, then again click on camera, upload an image, choose file. Okay, this is there, Google 3, open it and wait, and Google shall show on which websites these image exist or the similar images. Okay, you can see all are shown there. You can do next also. Google shall show more results. Okay, then similarly, if you are having any blog or if you are having any website and you have some photographs over there and you want to know whether your photographs are being stolen by some other page of Facebook or some other blog or some other site, or by someone else that is on network, anything, you can just upload it there and check the similar images. Okay, hope you would have enjoyed this lecture, as you can see all the uses carefully. Okay, I think you would have got all of them. If you did not, you can contact me or you can comment below. Okay, join us on www.facebook.com/dcrustmurthalcom. It's over here. Okay, thanks for watching.